Howdy folks, this is going to be Will the Circle Be Unbroken? I'm going to play it for you once and we'll break it all down. It's got a tab with it as well, so. Okay, and then we'll just repeat. So we're going to start out with a couple pickup notes, open 2 on the second string, and then we're going to be based out of an E chord here, but we want to finger pick this with 4 different fingers. So each finger has its own string. So I'm going to go O2, and then I'm going to do the 2 and the 1 and the little E string. So that string is 1, 3, and 4 all at the same time. So it's 2, 1, and skip the second string and an open on the bottom. Now that's going to alternate with the 1 and the open of the third and second strings. Okay, so it's like 2, 1, 0 to 1 and 0, 2, 1, 0 to 1 and 0 again. And then we have just the open by itself on this next measure. And then we're going to hit the 2, 1, and 0 with the top 3 fingers here, the thumb, first and second. Okay, so we have. And then we have the open and the little 4. We have 1 open and 2 down here. Okay, so this new measure was. And the next measure is 2, 1, 0 again, like the beginning, to 1, 0. And then we have the 0, 4 again, to the 1, 0. Now next one is 2 with the little open. 1 and open and 4, back to 1, 0, 2. Be sure to download the free tab on this. The tab is at the end of the video, but it's very helpful if you can kind of have it to watch along with. From the beginning again, we have. Okay, now we're moving to an A chord, 2, 2, 2 and open. We're gonna go 2 and 2 with the little open. So strings 4, 3, and 1. And then we're going to hit the 2 and 2 on the biggest string and the second string. So it was. And then open 2 on the first string. So this one again is. And then we have the same 2, 2, 0. Just to the 2 of the G string. And then fourth and second strings 2s. Back to that 2 in the third string. So this A is a little tricky, but it's. Back to E, we're going to have 2 with open on the second to the big 2, 1, and we'll do that twice, so it's. And then we'll have a little open E once, 2 and 1, open on the second to 1 and 2 on the third and second strings. Okay, then we're back to. So this one was a 2, 1 with a little open to 1 and open, and then big 2 with both little opens. 1 and open, and then we have 2 and little open to 1 and open again. Now it gets a little tricky here. We're going to have 2 and then open and 4 in the bottom 2 strings. And we're going to take that up to 6 open and 7. Okay, so this measure is. Then we're going to keep that open and 7. Hit those 2 little ones back to our 1 open, and then open 4 to 1 open. And little E again. Now top 3 strings, 2, 1, 0. Now we're going to have opens to 4 and 2 to 5, 4. Okay, so let's go back a little bit. We got. A. E, walking up, open and 7, opens the 4 and 2, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0, and then 5, 4 to opens on the bottom 2 there, to open 2, 2 two biggest fours here, and then 5-4 to 4-2 to little open, 2-1 with little open, second string, big 2-1, E chord. That's the whole thing. So I'll walk through it again. We got. Okay, we're gonna take it nice and slow all the way through again. Open and 2. And then we had the 2-1 and little open that alternates to the 1 and open, third and second. So we go. And then little open, top 3, and then open and 4 to 102 on the bottom 3. And then we got the E again. Kind of typical there, 4 open, 1 open. Now we have 2 with little open to 1-0. And then we have little 4 to 102 again. Then we have A, 2-2 and little open. 2 and 2 on the second and fourth strings after that. And then little open 2 on the first string. Back to this A. 2 on the G. That little chord back. And then we have 2 to open on the second to big 2-1. Little E. Chord, open. Now 1 and 2 together. E again. This one goes 2-0-0 to 1-0. And then we have this again, little open with big 2 to 1 open. Then we have that walking thing. And that was 2-0-4. 0-4 is on the bottom 2. Same strings, 6-0-7. Then 0-7 again to 1-0 to open 4 to 1-0. Little open, top 3. And now we're making a run for the end here. We got opens to 4 and 2, and these are on the bottom strings to 5-4. And then we're back to our 2-1-0. Jump back to the 5-4, hit opens after that, then open and 2 on the bottom. Then we have big 4s, top 2 strings, 5-4 to 4-2, little open, 2-1 with little open, B string, big 2-1, and E. All right, will the circle be unbroken? Check out the tab. Hope you all like it. Have a great day. See you soon.